so excited, y'all. I am so sorry for the horrible lighting. I can't think about it. Anyway, I just got back from work and I changed back into my school outfit with this cute skirt and these tights. Anyway, I ordered some shoes. Oh, they came and I'm so excited. I really want to show you guys what I got. So please keep watching if you want to see me unbox these shoes. Alright, here is the box, whatever the heck you call it. You don't get to see my address on the back, but anyway, also excuse my pillows, this is my bed, but it's kind of a mess. You didn't see that. Anyway, I'm so excited. Dude, I saw these, so me and my mom on Monday, it is now Friday by the way, went to DSW and we found these shoes by Betsey Johnson. I think they're called the Kayla shoes. I'll put a picture on screen. They caught my eye as soon as I walked in and I was like, I need these. They retail for $110, but my mom had a birthday gift coupon, so I did end up getting them for $80, which is amazing. Sorry, I have scissors. I'm gonna try to open this. But I have been working and I really haven't bought like big items, only my AirPods, and that was a while ago because I knew I would use my AirPods a lot, and I know I will wear these shoes. They are literally me in a pair of shoes, and it's immaculate. And I wish I would have had them for school today because I would have worn them, but anyway, let's unbox these shoes. So they are by Betsey Johnson, and they are the Kyla rhinestone shoes. I got them in the size 9. They had 8.5 at the store, which is the reason why I didn't buy it in store was because they didn't have my size. They're only 8.5, so I tried them on. They were a little bit too tight, and I figured 9s would be the best. But yeah, here's the box. I am so excited, y'all. Like, I am so excited. Like, I'm so excited. So, sorry for the camera, but we're opening it. There's an extra shipping label in here. Don't need that. And sorry, they actually retail for $120. I am slow. So these are the Kyla rhinestone boots. They're so cute. I'm ready for you guys to see them. I'm so excited. So there's this like Betsey Johnson paper. You can't really tell because it's like white on white. So I can already see them. I'm so excited. So there's the first peek. You can't really see because I can see them in person, but we're just gonna, I really want to show you guys this with me. You can see the shoe right there. I'm gonna undo this and I'm gonna pull out a shoe, just one shoe. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Dun, 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 dun. Look at these shoes. They are literally all just like diamonds. I know they're not real diamonds. They're like Swarovski crystals. The bottom is like Tiffany blue. Oh, I might cry. I might cry. These are literally the most perfect pair of shoes I have ever seen in my life. They shine so pretty. I will show you guys a video clip of them with flash on and on my feet. But like, bro, these are so pretty. I'm gonna try one on just to see if they fit. If they don't fit, I'm gonna cry. Oh, they fit like a glove. I don't want to flash you guys, but oh my Lanta, they are so pretty. They're definitely very stiff because they're literally new and there's rhinestones all over them. But like, bro, you see these? Like, bro, you see these? Very stiff shoe, but they definitely fit me. They're just stiff because, you know, rhinestones are stiff. I do have only tights on, but socks, I usually wear thin socks with boots. Again, these are a 9 medium is what they're saying. I really like, y'all see this? Oh, it's like shining on my face. There's like mixtures of little crystals and big crystals. And oh, I love so freaking short. I'm so sorry. But, like, I'm really gonna start trying to do YouTube. Like, I promise y'all. Also, thank you guys. Thank you guys for 1.2 thousand views on my last video. You guys really did that, and I really do appreciate that. We are 1 subscriber away from 70, and I really want to hit my goal actually is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So realistically, my goal is to hit a 500 if I like post regularly. So guys, please give me that. I know I'm gonna actually post, I promise y'all, I promise. But like, these are so cute. Let me get the other one out, sorry. I'm gonna go try to walk around a little bit, and I'll be back. Oh my gosh, y'all. They are so freaking cute. Sorry, I shouldn't say ew. Like, do you see those? Oh, so pretty. Okay, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you guys for 1.2K on my last video. It really makes me so happy, and I hope by the end of the year we hit 500 subscribers. Anyway, have a good one, and rhinestones are better than anything else. Bye!